Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix First Bank mobile banking application crashing issue on your Android device. If you're experiencing issues with the First Bank mobile banking application on your Android phone, then there are several steps you can take to try and resolve the problem. So let's go to them one by one. Step 1. Restarting your phone. Simply go ahead and press on the power button on your device. Now tap on Restart or Reboot and then restart your Android device first. Step 2. Check for system updates. Make sure that your Android device is currently running with the latest operating system. Go ahead and tap Open the Settings app from your app drawer. Under the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Under Software Update, tap on Download and Install. This will now look for available software updates for your Android device. If there is a software update available, simply tap on the Install button to get the latest release for your operating system. If your software is up to date, you can skip this step. Now once you are done with the software update process, you might be able to fix your issue. Step 3. Check device's storage. Ensure that your device has sufficient storage space available. If your storage is full, it can lead to performance issues including app crashes. Simply go ahead and delete any unnecessary application. Press hold the application and tap on the uninstall button to delete any kind of an unnecessary application from your Android device. You can repeat this step for any other app that you don't use anymore. After you delete unnecessary apps or files to free up your Android space, you might be able to fix the issue. Simply go ahead and launch Open the First Bank application to see if that works. So those were some of the steps you could take in order to fix your First Bank mobile banking application crashing issue on your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.